Hey budget gardeners, Vita Loca here. Join me today as I show you how to collect the seeds from a basil plant. So let's go. I love fresh basil, and there are a few different ways you can propagate basil. One is from seed, another way is from cuttings. In fact, I made a video before showing you my process for propagating basil from cuttings, and I'll be sure to put a link to that video down in the description below. Normally with the basil plant, you don't want it to go to flower. You want to be cutting off those blooms because otherwise it affects the taste of your basil. It is now the middle of September. I'm okay with letting my basil plant create flowers so that those flowers can then go to seed. I wanted to make this instructional video just to show you what to look for when collecting the seeds off of your basil plant. These right here are the buds that will eventually form into flowers. All of these right here are the blossoms, and they will eventually be creating seed pods. Right here, the flowers have gone by, and seed pods are being created, but they're still a green color, and we want to wait for those seed pods to turn a brown color. Right here are the seed pods, and you can see that they are a brown color. They are kind of papery, and you can start to see there's some black coloring in the center of each of those seed pods. Let's go ahead and pick these seed pods off, and I'll show you how to collect the seeds from them. I just want to show you close up what the seed pods look like. So I'm just removing each of these individual seed pods off of the stem here, and then all you want to do is basically just pull it apart. And when you do that, it releases the seeds. And it's amazing that each seed will produce another basil plant. So you can really collect a lot of seeds this way with minimal effort. And when you do this, just be careful because the seeds can go flying. So you want to do it on a large piece of paper or something that you're able to collect the seeds on. And what you're looking at now is a close-up view of what the seed pods as well as the seeds look like. And I've put a US dime next to it just so you can compare the size of the dime next to the seeds. I like to store my seeds in small little Ziploc bags like this one here, and notice I labeled it basil and the year that I collected the seeds. You can store your seeds in whatever you like. The key is make sure that your seeds are completely dry. You never want to store your seeds wet because they can rot. And you can use a paper bag, you can use an envelope, a jar, whatever you like. The size of this bag is about 2 inches by 3 inches, and I bought these bags off of Amazon. I have another variety of basil behind me here. I'll be collecting the seeds from that as well. And if you do know the name or variety of basil that you're collecting the seeds from, be sure to mark that down on your envelope or bag as well. I have a ton of videos that show you how to collect the seeds from plants as well as how to start those seeds. And what I'll do is put a link to those videos down in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear from you. So please drop it down in the comments section. And until the next video, make it a great day with gardening.